Hello students, we come to the last video of the chapter Nationalism and Imperialism. By the last quarter of the 19th century, nationalism no longer retained its idealistic liberal democratic sentiment. Means till 1848 we have seen that liberalism and nationalism was at its peak. All wanted their nation states, but became a narrow creed with limited ends. Means all of them became selfish. In the other word, we can say that. During this period, nationalist groups became increasingly intolerant of each other and ever ready to go to war. The, the strategy and the policies they were conducting with each other, now they had become intolerant of each other and they were ready to wage wars any time. We are talking about the nation states. The major European powers in turn manipulated the nationalist aspirations of the subject people. Subject peoples means citizens in Europe to further their own imperialist aims. Means all the European powers like Britain and France, they are and were always the powerful countries, and they had established their colonies in far off places, and that establishing the colonies is known as the imperialism. And they were trying to do their best to improve their imperialism's aim, further their own imperialism aim. The most serious source of nationalist tension in Europe after 1871 was the area called the Balkans. Now we will see what is the which is the area known as the Balkan. Now conflict in Balkan. This is the picture of the conflict. Unions of the Balkan. Here we can see this area, Unions of Balkan. This is the area which had several independent states which were independent previously, but afterwards it became the part of the Balkan. Now here other that we can see is Turkey. Actually में Union of Balkans, Turkey, Romania, Hungary, Germany, Italy, these were the countries, and USSR, Bulgaria, these all were the countries under the Ottoman Empire. Ottoman Empire ruled over Turkey. Now the Balkans was a region of geographical and ethnic variation. Means there was variation in geographical and ethnic both versions. Comprising modern day, means modern day Romania, Bulgaria, Albania, Greece, Macedonia, Croatia, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Slovenia, Serbia, and Montenegro, which are existing in present time, were part of the Balkan region. These all Union of Balkans which we are seeing in the map, now they belong to these several countries. If you see the map of Eurasia of 2020, a large part of the Balkans was under the control of the Ottoman Empire. Ottoman Empire, already we will be studying about that in our nationalism in India also. Turkey was the Ottoman Empire. The spread of the ideas of romantic nationalism in the Balkans, together with the disintegration of the Ottoman Empire, made this region very explosive. Already I have told you that several nations which are today, they were the part of the Balkan region, and Romantic nationalism means वही feeling of nationalism. So there was the feeling of nationalism in each and every state of that time. This was the reason of disintegration of the Ottoman Empire. Means Ottoman Empire टुकड़े टुकड़े हो गया, या it divided in so many parts, and all these nations declared themselves independent, that we will study further. One by one, its European subject nationalists broke away from its control and declared independence. They declared themselves independent. They broke away from the Ottoman Empire, or we can say they broke away from the Balkans. The Balkan peoples based their claims for independence or political rights on nationality. Means they declared themselves nation and used history to prove that they had once been independent, and they proved historically, they proved that once they were independent, so they have the 100% right to be free from the clutches of Balkan, but had subsequently been subjugated by foreign powers. Like in our country, we were independent monarchical states before the Mughals or the foreigners like Portuguese, French, and English took over control on our country. Hence, the rebellious nationalists in the Balkans thought of their struggle as attempts to win back their long lost independence. Means these struggle they had taken as acquiring the independence which they had lost long before. This is the region Romania and Bulgaria independence 1878. Now we can see here several. This is Austria-Hungary, this is Serbia, this is Ottoman Empire, this is Bulgaria, this is Romania, and so on. As the different Slavic nationalists struggled to define their identity and independence, all the nations that we have talked about, they were the Slavic nations. The Balkan area became an area of intense conflict. Tension started creating there. The Balkan states were fiercely jealous of each other, and each hoped to gain more territory at the expense of the others. Now, if there is the rule of the king, every king want to expand their territories, and they are jealous of each other. Nobody help another one. Matters were further complicated because the Balkans also became the scene of big power rivalry. Ab we know the big power were Austria, Prussia, Hungary, Russia. These were the big powers, and other than that, France and Britain, they were also having their colonies here. Turkey was under the control of Britain and France as well. During this period, there were intense rivalry among the European powers over trade and colonies, as well as naval and military might. Military might matlab ताकत, which were evident in the way the Balkan problem unfolded. Balkan problem unfolded धीरे धीरे, the problems which came in front of everyone, and every European power, they had trade and military power established over this area. Each power, Russia, Germany, England, Austro-Hungary, was keen on countering the hold of other powers over the Balkans. They wanted to hold the power over the Balkan region and extending its own control over the area. In other words, it means that these countries wanted to have control over the Balkan region. In simple words, we can say that. Now here we can see that Austria-Hungary, Romania, Serbia, Bulgaria, Greece, Ottoman Empire, Italy, Switzerland. These were the power at that time. This led to a series of wars in the region and finally the First World War. The First World War was fought between Serbia and Russia. Thanks. Have a nice day.